Stacy! You're a star! Sumaksik! Go, Gwen! Go, Gwen! Ayaw! Meet and greet? Ulit! I love you, Ayaw! Ano to? Sige na, pwede na umiyak.
London, we are finally here! Hello, Oval Arena! First time po namin dito sa London, except Mika. And we're so happy that this is one of the stops sa Beaniverse World Tour 2025. Masaya ba kayo? Hello po sa lahat ng mga kababayan namin na nandito at sa lahat ng Blooms na naghintay na makarating kami rito. Let's have fun tonight! Yes! So, we are Beanie. We are an 8-member girl group from the Philippines and syempre we are so thrilled to be here in London and we can't thank you enough, Blooms, for coming to our show tonight. But before anything else, why don't we introduce ourselves, girls? In British. My request. Go. London! Hi everyone, I'm Aloy. And it's Hello, my love. Love you, my. My name's Aya. Yeah, focus tonight, London. I'm Colette. London. Wingardium Leviosa. I'm Stacy. It's a beautiful night in London, isn't it, London? I'm Sheila. Hi, London, baby. I'm Gwen. Hi, London.
You know, I was seeing a game over there earlier, and then these guys were talking like. I'm Mika.
Nakaka-pressure naman yan. What's up, mate? Drop a talk to me here. It's Joanna. And we are Britney. Yes, as they say, there's always a first time. At first time po namin dito sa London. Grabe, dati napapanood lang namin ito sa movies. The series, diba? Tapos ngayon, may concert na kami. Thank you guys. Thank you for helping us realize one of our dreams as performers and for making this come true. Yes! And alam niyo po ba, ang dami namin napuntahan sa London. Pumunta po kami ng Abbey Road. Parang dito yung pinakamadami. Oo, ito yung pinaka talaga nakagala kami. Alam niyo po ba, charge kami. Ang ganda. Gabi sa Abbey Road, tumawid kami sa pedestrian. Yung famous na movie. Yeah, sana diba? Sana kung paano din yung The Beatles mangyari din
Let's manifest. Yes.
At nakapag-food trip na rin kami. Anong favorite na kinain niyo dito sa London?
The fish and chips.
Yes, fish and chips na kasi laki ng mukha ni Ate Manoy. Sobrang laki ng fish and chips na kinain namin.
So good for two, no?
Oo, good for three. Yes.
But so good. So good.
Oh, Manoy!
Ovo Marina! You are... What? They are what? Ovo Marina, if you are guest, make some noise! Because we are born to win. Grabe yung energy ng mga kababayan. Yes, grabe lagi kami nandyan. Para sa inyong lahat, sa pinagdaanan nyo, lahat ng yan, we can relate to all of you. If you feel sad, homesick, and you wanna feel better, you can always come to our universe, the Beaniverse. Everyone is welcome to the Beaniverse! I can guarantee you na mapapag-good vibes kayo dyan because of our Beaniverse will give you different emotions. Yes, right? Tingnan natin yung ano nalagay sa mga ano nila. Okay, let's emotions. Pure banners. Yes, let's read them. Listening to your music makes us feel home. Thank you po. Okay, read my
Send flying kiss now, stocks. Stocks and flying kiss now.
no. Sheena, can you say Madsen and it? What? Madsen and it? Is it right? Ano yan? Ano sabi mo? Mating init? Mating. Mating init? Mating. Ang sobrang matinit? Sobrang init? Joanna Narly daw.
Wait lang, mag-A muna tayo. Mag-A-check muna tayo. Tingnan natin yung energy nila.
Ano muna?
Sige, right side muna. Mag-right side tayo, left. And syempre yung mga nasa likod. Yes, and ito na. Syempre, ito last to. Ito nasa ano. Okay. From the right corner, make some noise! Say yeah! Ay! Wala pa ng Jollibee. Oh, wow!
Malakas yung right side. So guys, let's move on to the left side. I think they have something to say. Ay, parang iba lang. I think, or, is that all? Are you ready? I'm gonna count, okay? 1, 2, 3, say it!
Sa likod naman. Itong row na to, huwag kayong sumali ha. Iba yung ano niya, category. Sa likod! After 3, okay, say A! 1, 2, 3! Cute! Parang mga dilis. Parang mga dilis. Okay, right side naman. Ang nasa likod. Mga short. Okay. Right side, likod! A! Ito naman harap. Alam mo kayo na pa ito naghihintay eh. After 3A, okay? 1, 2, 3! Okay. Okay, what about everyone? Say A in 3. After 3, haha. 1, 2, 3! Alright, London! Join us in your ride where you experience the cherry on top if you want to.
That was Blink Twice and Cherry on Top. Thank you so much for singing and dancing with us, guys. I saw some of you guys were really feeling it. You know, the music, right, She?
Yup, they were
Like how?
And how?
Yeah. Ayun nga. And so, before everything else, I just want to tell you guys, we're moving on to our last. I wonder who it could be. She had a special chair over there, right? And you know, sitting pretty while we were doing all. No, I'm kidding.
She's kidding. She's kidding in it. Is she kidding? Wait lang, may dinidiscuss pa sila dito. Balikan namin kayo, Blooms, ha? Yes, pero before anything, pwede po ba kaming makahingi ng group fee with you?
So cute.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba natin pailaw? Yes, para makita yung mga nasa likod. If may light, may mga light sticks kayo or lights ng phone, pwede nyo itaas. Light. Wow.
Line 6. Or
Light.
phone flashlight.
Or
That's so pretty.
use your flashlights. Oh my God, flashlights on your phone.
It's a sea of lights right now. Ang lights of namin, guys. It's so nice.
Wait, since it's so pretty, can I ask for a photo with everyone all together? Yeah?
Yes.
I don't hear it. What? Okay. Can I see? Oh,
Yes,
okay.
they're here. Let's
Can I see
go.
a photo?
Let's put. Okay. After 3, say Beanie. 1, 2, 3. Beanie. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, guys, can we do one more without the light so we can see your beautiful faces?
Wow. Okay.
Ganda. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Yung Beanie nila.
Okay, for our next song, let me just tell you it's a song about having to work hard, you have to go through pressure to be able to reach these things that you have to reach.
It's reachable.
Yeah, in London. Are you ready to be diamonds? Let me hear from all the diamonds here. This is Zero Pressure.
Teka lang.
Hihinga lang ako.
Inhale.
Grabe yung zero pressure.
Zero pressure na may konting pressure.
Zero pressure.
May konting pressure.
May konting malaking pressure. Grabe. But anyways, guys, those are some of the songs from our latest EP Beanieverse under Star Music. So, pwede nyo po rin siya i-stream sa amin. Teka, pwede nyo siya i-stream and i-download sa lahat ng digital platforms because there are still 2 songs of that EP na we haven't performed. Yes, and wait lang. May pinost kasi tayo kahapon. May pinost tayo na Zero Pressure. Meron kaming special single na ilalabas! Actually, may mga nakahula na eh. Nakikita mo yun, may mga nakakapag-edit na. So, abangan nyo yan, Brooks. Madami kaming surprise bago pa matapos ang world tour na to.
Yes, that's right. And alam niyo, Blooms, we are super duper happy to see you all here, to witness everybody's energy tonight. Kasi, grabe, you have so much energy here and we just want to keep coming back. But also, we know that ang daming mga kababayans natin dito, ang daming mga OFWs na for sure, I feel like na-miss ko din yung Pilipinas, you miss home, but well, that's why we're here because don't worry guys, through our performances, we're gonna give you the feeling of home. Yeah?
Yes, Bruce, London, we are always here for you. Lalo na po sa mga aming kababayan, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming Beanie. Sobrang saya po ng warm welcome niyo po sa aming lahat. We love you, London!
Yes, and ito here with isa sa mga sumulat ng kantang to, Ate Lian! Woo!
Ate Lian Jogi.
Ate Lian Jogi, thank you! Napakaganda po ng song na to. Song namin to for our blooms. And ng blooms for Bini.
Yes, she wrote this song with the intention po na mag-promise namin with Bini and Blooms na nandito kami para sa isa't isa.
At yan, dahil nga you are here with us, meron kaming surprise sa inyo, London Blooms! We are super excited to share this with you, so let's all watch this!
Sinasaya ko kita si Piano Pascual.
Iba yung sigaw nila eh, Lola Pascual! Ayun, napapaghanaan kayo Blooms ha? Pero yes, we will be back in England this 2025! Napakaswerte naman ng Blooms natin dito. Twice a year na tayong magkikita. And syempre, babalik po kami with our fellow ASAP Kapamilya artists and Blooms. If you use the promo code BLOOMS, makaka-discount pa kayo. So hurry up because the promo code is valid only until June 25, 2025. Yes, magkikita ulit tayo, Blooms. See you again.
Yes, and we would also like to thank Live Nation UK who made it all possible here in London and everyone here at Oval Wembley Arena. We are truly grateful for the support. A special shout out to Alex, Chris, and Jamie of Wasserman. Thank you so much for bringing us to London. And of course, thank you for our Blooms for all the love.
Hi, Bibi. Hi, everyone. Hi. My name is Victoria. On behalf of the arena, we want to present these awards to you to celebrate Bibi's first headline show here at Oval Arena Wembley. Congratulations. Round of applause.
Ikaw lang pala eh.
Face to we have isa.
We all get. Ay, oh, we all get.
Oh, tay, grabe!
Akala ko siya.
Kala namin ito
Can we have a photo?
Wow!
Balik Victoria sa Victoria.
Can we? Okay. Smile! Thank you! Thank you so much! Thank you! O, diba, nag-perform lang tayo. Nagkaroon pa tayo ng award. And grabe, yes, we are honored po to perform talaga sa iconic stage na to. Meron kaming dinaanan dito. Grabe mga artists na nag-perform dito sa Oval Wembley. So parang, wow, who are we, di ba? Para maging isa sa mga performers dito. Yes, grabe. We truly appreciate you, Blooms.
You guys are so amazing. You are the tower to my band.
Again, good accent, please. Good accent, please.
One time. One more time.
Okay, one more. Huwag kayong kiligin ah. Blooms, you are the tower to my band. Wait, the eye to my London. Wait, the Buckingham to my palace.
Ganun pala yung word dito. Yes, grabe. We will forever be grateful. We will always be grateful for your love and support, Blooms. Pero we're about to wrap up our third show of our Biniverse World Tour, but we still have one more treat for all of you. Kaya naman, Blooms, wait for us at huwag muna kayong umuwi, okay? Walang tatayo! Walang tatayo! Bala kayo! We'll be back, Blooms!
ML, 18%